Alright, here we go. Hi everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing the Sound of Madness by Shinedown with I Own You. Full disclosure, I think this is like the first time I've heard it, but I could be wrong. Shameless plugins before we get started. EV Soldier 96 is gaming is where you go for gaming content from moi. And Patreon is where you'll see the review for this album. All links in my bio. Alright, let's go to Shinedown and let's get into it. Not fun doing okay? Sounds good for me. Come on in, take a seat. Tell me how you feel this week. Are you cursed? Are you blessed? Are you still inside the mess? All those feelings wrapped around you hold you down so you can't break through. It's a trap, so don't ask. It's a shallow on your back. It don't burn, it don't bleed. Still it cuts at your knee. All this pressure that surrounds you hold you down, so you gotta break through. Hey, c'est la vie. Remember me. Made you, dressed you, and trained you. Hey, it's bittersweet. You can't kill me with kindness. I don't buy it. Strip down, show me flesh and bone. 'Cause now I own you. Take a breath, hold it, don't look up, let's begin. Lesson learned, take a turn, then you come around again. All those feelings wrapped around you hold you down so you can't break through. Time is up, take your shot, 'cause your story's all you got. Don't back down, don't say no, just sit still and let go. Pressures wrapped around you hold you down, but you know you gotta break through. Hey, c'est la vie. Remember me, I made you, dressed you and trained you. Hey, it's bittersweet. You can kill me with kindness. I don't buy it. Strip down, show me flesh and bone. 'Cause now I own you. This is a good song. Strip down and show your flesh and bone. 'Cause now I own you. Hey, c'est la vie. Remember me, I made you, trust you and trained you. Hey, it's bittersweet. You can't kill me with kindness. I don't buy it. Strip down, show me flesh and bone. 'Cause now I own you. Own you. Now I own you. Now I own you. Now I own you. Alright, I Own You by Shinedown. Nice. I'm hopeful that YouTube doesn't give me any crap. But if they don't give me crap with the footage that I used my laptop audio, I'll use the laptop audio. If they don't give me crap with the phone audio, we'll keep it that way. If they give me crap with both, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do. I'm not an editor. We'll have to go back to the old school where I had a headset on and go with it that way. So, fingers crossed. We shall see how it goes. I hope you guys have been enjoying the Sound of Madness so far, despite my ups and downs with it. I hope you guys are getting something out of it, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace!